Hallo ihr liebe Leute, hier ist wieder der Jenki mit Let's Play The Walking Dead uff pälzisch. Der letzte Episode haben wir mit Ach und Krach die Batterie gekriegt fürs Auto, beziehungsweise fürs Boot. Und jetzt gucken wir mal, was wir noch machen können. Die beiden Nurserie, die brauchen uns nicht. Dann hätten wir noch Benzin, glaube ich, auf der Liste, ne? Wupp. Okay. Da kommt unser Benziner. Ja, weil der Herrnschädel dazwischen ist. Plätsch. Jetzt dürft's zu hier. Ja, da haben wir das Extel. Heieiei. Jupp. Das hält nicht lang. Ich steht Sache, da kennt man vielleicht da was der Vorhänge irgendwie. Das Beste bei Walker wäre, die Aufmerksamkeit nämlich zu zeigen. Das heißt, in dem Fall sollte man es vielleicht mit Decke abhängen und so, damit sie einem nicht sehen. Und dann so leise wie möglich sein. Dann hauen sie früher oder später wieder ab.
You're back. Yeah, and we made out pretty good too. Great work, Kenny. How you doing with that door?
Scheiße.
Not so good. Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Mhm. Okay.
Bree?
Hey, Lee. Thanks for all your help back there. I don't think we would have made it without you.
No problem. We're all on the same team.
Richtig.
How long have you known Vernon?
Couple of years. He ran our support group. He was really great helping me come to terms with my disease.
Okay.
But how do you come to terms with something like this? With a place like Crawford? I don't know what I or the other survivors would have done without Vernon. He's the one who held us together, kept us alive.
Ja, das scheint ja auch ein netter Kerl zu sein.
What do you think about this whole Crawford situation?
I'd rather not talk about it. Too many awful memories. Even being back here gives me a bad feeling.
Kann ich mir vorstellen, ja.
Everyone dead?
I got no sympathy for what happened to these people. They weeded out the sick and the old, even children, those least able to defend themselves so that they could save their own skins. Whatever happened here, however Crawford fell, I consider it poetic justice.
Sehe ich auch so. Das habe ich ja schon gesagt, als wir da reinkommen sind. Ich kann mir da Grinse an verkneifen.
Feel the same.
So you're a cancer survivor, like Vernon and the others?
Yeah, I was diagnosed when I was in college. Been getting treatment ever since. Just when I was starting to get better, when I thought there might be some hope, all this happened. Lost my whole family. I'm the only one who's
Ja, irgendwie schon komisch. Aber nicht lustig
I'm a
komisch.
little busy here, Lee. Maybe you should go get that battery or help with the medicine.
Ja. Okay, dann vielleicht noch mit dem Kenny sprechen. Mit dem Kenny kann ich nicht retten, aber mit dem Ben.
What do we still need?
We already got the fuel in the battery. Once we find some medicine, we'll be good to go.
So where's this battery you found?
Molly has it. She ran off to do something.
Well, she'd better bring it back here. I don't know why you trusted that girl with it. We hardly know her.
She saved your life, didn't she?
Yeah, but what has she done for me lately?
Okay, das bringt uns dann großartig weiter. Da haben wir Benzin. Und dann geht's raus. Und zu der Chris Dunburn. Rennen können wir nicht, oder? Nee. Rennen können wir nicht. Oh, Hallöle. Ausgang zum Spielplatz, ja. Der Spielplatz ist direkt vor der Tür. Boah. Gehen wir mal da. Hoppla. Nur so. Ja, die scheinen wohl da drin zu sein. Dann machen wir mal die alle. Jetzt ist eh egal, die Walker stehen ja eh schon vor der Tür. Sind die alle ahnenlos, die Walker? Keiner von deinen Walker hat mehr Aare im Kopf. Wahrscheinlich auch, damit sie nur auf Geräusche reagieren und nicht mehr auf Sicht reagieren. Ah, wie eklig.
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole place is infested. They're
Oh je, oh
everywhere.
je.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look.
Ist eingesperrt, ne?
Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe. Tight.
There's no way we can bust it open?
Maybe with enough time, but I don't know how much of that we have. Be a hell of a lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt
Okay.
they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Ja, dann müssen wir jetzt wieder eingreifen hier.
Take time to rest later.
Kopierer.
What is this? A copy machine. Not that it matters with no power around here.
Kopierer hat uns jetzt eh nichts gebracht. Dokumente.
Just a bunch of papers. No safe combination though.
Hm.
Phones probably haven't worked in months.
Krankenakte.
Anna Correa.
Anna Korea.
Patient here. And what's this?
Kassett.
It's a medical file for a woman named Correa.
Okay, mit dem Burn können wir... Ah, doch, mit dem Burn können wir.
How's
Weiter.
it coming?
Slow. Too slow. I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Molly helped me get the battery we needed.
That's great. One down. Where is she?
She took off. Had some kind of errand she needed to run.
Took off? With the battery?
Ja, ich bin Anna begeistert.
Don't worry, she'll be back.
I hope so. That girl doesn't really strike me as a team player.
Richtig.
More the mercenary kind.
Hey, Doc, I just wanted to thank you for coming with us and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
Ja.
I heard that. How much time do you think Omid has, Doc?
You want my medical opinion? The sooner we get him some strong antibiotics.
Das ist klar, ajo. Besser gestern, ne?
Let's just leave it at that, huh?
I'll go see if I can find something that'll
Jo.
help us get that safe open.
Good idea.
Okay. Aber mit der könnten wir auch nochmal retten. Oh Gott, ich habe gedacht, das wäre auf die Christa bezogen mit der Waffe. Ich wollte sie jetzt nicht in der Rücke schießen, also. Das wäre ein bisschen zu grob gewesen.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine. Why are you asking me that?
It's just that you've been looking a little pale the past couple of days. You've been throwing up.
Oh, come on. You just dug up a rotting dog carcass. I'm surprised we weren't all
Hunde
throwing
leichte
up.
vor allem.
Lee, I'm fine. Quit worrying about me, okay? Worry about
Ja, nicht, dass er
Omid.
schwanger
We
ist.
gotta get him these meds.
Are you making any progress with the safe?
No. Without the combination, I don't know how we're gonna get this damn thing open.
Naja, Rate geht, ne?
Some medicine soon.
It's okay. We'll figure it out. I hope I did the right thing bringing Clementine with us. This place isn't exactly safe.
Nee, nicht so wirklich.
Just leaving her alone with Omid didn't seem any safer.
What's that supposed to mean?
No offense, Krista, but Omid's pretty sick. If he dies with Clementine alone in the house with
That is not
Yeah.
gonna happen. Do you hear me? That is not going to happen. We're going to get these meds to Omid, and he's going to be fine. He's going to be fine.
Ja, das hoffen wir alle.
sorry.
Look, Lee, I just want to get back to Omid. Let me do my thing, all right?
Aber das muss man halt in Erwägung ziehen, ne? Allein mit dem Kranke ist nicht so toller.
What's this on the floor?
Ultraschallbild.
It's a sonogram.
Blut.
There's dried blood on this printout and on the floor. Looks like a trail of it from the safe
Okay.
camera over there. Then out
Hat
the
sich denn entlang gerobbt.
What the hell
Nett. Stecken wir durch die Kassettenreihe in den Camcorder. Den etwas alter
Bernie,
wahrscheinlich.
Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Ach, den kennen wir doch.
Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical
Das ist doch der Walker aus der letzten Episode, den die Molly so bearbeitet hat.
Sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
Oh
You don't have
Gott.
to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea. That you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a
Na
sedative.
toll.
Make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Boah,
Anna, you don't have a choice.
wie
If
nett.
you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Ganz bezaubernd. Aber ja, den kennen wir doch, den Typ. Zumindest kennt man als Walker.
Almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Ziemlich widerwärtiger.
The worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto.
Genau.
Maybe you should search it. See what he's got on him.
Sollte man mal machen. Also wieder zurück in die Gasse. Zurück in die Ghost, wo Tike herrscht. Also jetzt nicht speziell auf die Liebe bezogen, sondern so generell. Oder auf den Walker bezogen. Der kehrt in die Ghost. Ui, das war aber ganz schön knapp, wenn ich so sehe, wie no die da waren. Irgendwas klopft und poltert. Wahrscheinlich wieder die Walker an unserer Haustür. Gehen wir da wieder in die Gasse und suchen noch unserem Glätzel-Kolleg. Der Doktor Abortion. Doktor Schwangerschaftsabbruch. Der Herr der Doktor Abtreibung. Uah. Widerlicher Typ. Müssen wir da wieder rein. Und da wieder hoch. Hui. Herr Uff. Hoppla, mit dem habe ich jetzt nicht gerechnet. Boah, was war das? Kotz. Irgendwas ist denn auf die Rieb gepoltert. Und da wieder rüber. Zack. Da versucht er abzuhauen. Und ihr liebe Leute, das machen wir in der nächsten Episode von Let's Play The Walking Dead. Uff pälzisch. Machen's gut bis dahin. Euer Jenki.